Hello everyone. Let's we see the concept of object-oriented analysis and development by Balakumari, student of 3rd BSCA from KCS Kastinadar College of Arts and Science. Let's we see the concepts of object-oriented analysis and development. Let's see the introduction of object-oriented development methodologies. Many methodologies are available to choose from the system development. Each methodology is based on modeling the business problem and implementation in object-oriented fashion. The Romberg ETAL method as a strong method for producing object models. Jacobson ETAL have a strong method for producing user-driven requirement and object-oriented analysis model. Booch has a strong method for producing detailed object-oriented design models. Let's we see the objectives. After going through this unit, you will be able to understand various methodologies for system development. Describe Romberg OMT. OMT means object modeling technique. The next one is describe Booch methodology. Describe Jacobson ETAL methodology. Let's we see about the one thing in this objectives. Let's we see about Romberg OMT model. Romberg object modeling technique. It gives the dynamic behavior of objects in a system using the OMT dynamic model. There are 4 phases available: analysis, system design, object design, implementation. Let's see analysis. Results are object, dynamic and functional models. System design gives a structure of the basic architecture. Object design produces a design document. Implementation produces reusable code. OMT separates modeling into 3 different parts. Object model presented by object model and the data dictionary. Dynamic model presented by state diagrams and event flow diagrams. Functional model presented by data flow and constraints. These are the Romberg object modeling technique. Let we see about the object model in Romberg. The structure of the objects in a system is described by object model and also their identity and relationships to other objects, attributes and operations are also defined to the object models is represented by the graphical with an object diagram. Next is object modeling diagram. These are the banking account object diagram. There are 7 boxes. Let's we see the 7 boxes and their contents. In first box, bank. In bank, name, code, add branch, remove branch, get all branches. These are the first box contents. Let's see the second box content. Branch code, branch city, add account, remove account, get loan, remove loan, get loan. These are the second box contents. Third box, loan number, amount type, add customer, prepay amount, get EMI. These are the third box contents. And fourth box is account number, balance, debit amount, credit amount, get balance. These are the fourth box content. In fifth box, savings account. Savings account must have minimum balance, date of opening, add customer, remove customer. These are the operations of the savings account boxes. And next box is sixth box is current account. Current account means we must have interest rate, date of opening, add customer, remove customer, like that operations. In seventh box, customer ID, name, address, phone. And these are the basic banking account details. These are the basic things of the banking account maintaining details. We must follow the procedures of the banking to get the loan or any interest or something regarding to the banking. We must follow these procedures. These are the things of object model diagram examples. Next thing is OMT dynamic model, that is object modeling technique dynamic model. OMT provides a detailed and comprehensive dynamic model. The OMT state transition diagram is a network of states and events. Each state receives one or more events at which it makes the transition to the next state. The next state depends on the current state as well as the event. These are the OMT dynamic model. Let we see the example of OMT dynamic model. The first box is idle, the second box awaiting enable, the third box is pumping, and fourth box is cancelled. In this idle, gun removed, gun replaced are the functions and process of the state. Awaiting enable, pumping equal to pumping, that is enable. Awaiting enable pumping, and then the pumping function is cancelled. The idle function. These are the process of the OMT dynamic model example. This is the example of OMT dynamic model. The next content is OMT functional model. The OMT data flow diagram, that is DFD, shows the flow of data between different processing in a business. Data flow diagrams use four primary symbols, that is the process in any function being performed. The data flow shows the direction of the data element movement. The data store is location where data are stored. An external entity is a source or destination of a data element. Romberg OMT methodology provides one of the strong tool set of the analysis and design of object oriented system. Thank you for listening the concepts of Romberg OMT. These are the components and contents of the Romberg OMT. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.